Hi guys, it's me, and if you want to buy this MSI MPG 321 URX QD-OLED monitor, the link is in the description. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced gaming monitors currently available. This is a 32-inch 4K UHD Quantum Dot OLED panel designed to deliver a combination of speed, color accuracy, and contrast that's hard to find anywhere else. It promises smooth gameplay, vibrant colors, and ultra-responsive performance. But how does it actually perform when put to the test? The first thing that stands out is the design. It's understated yet premium, with a clean matte black finish, subtle accents, and a robust stand that allows tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments. The ergonomics make it easy to position perfectly, whether sitting close for gaming or further back for content creation. The slim bezels also give it a modern, high-end aesthetic that fits any desk setup. Powering it on, the Quantum Dot OLED technology immediately makes a difference. True blacks, vivid colors, and HDR highlights combine to deliver an immersive visual experience. The 4K resolution paired with a 240Hz refresh rate and 0.03 milliseconds response time ensures motion is razor-sharp and completely fluid. Fast-paced shooters, action-adventure games, and even cinematic sequences all look incredible. There's virtually no motion blur, ghosting, or input lag. Color performance is another highlight. With QD-OLED, the colors are vibrant and lifelike, far surpassing traditional IPS or VA panels. Dark scenes are rich and detailed, while bright elements pop without overpowering the rest of the image. The monitor supports true Black HDR, which brings out depth and shadows and creates a more cinematic gaming experience. Even in everyday tasks like browsing, editing, or streaming, the screen looks stunning. The connectivity options are excellent. HDMI and DisplayPort cover all standard setups, and a 90W USB-C port adds incredible versatility. You can connect a laptop, charge it, and transfer data simultaneously, all through a single cable. For people who multitask between work and gaming, this makes setup simpler and cleaner. It's a monitor that fits seamlessly into both professional and gaming environments. MSI has also refined the menu interface. Navigation is smooth and intuitive, with a responsive joystick for adjustments. Presets for gaming, color calibration options, and OLED care features are all easy to access. Pixel shifting and automatic refresh cycles reduce the risk of burn-in, letting you enjoy the panel without worry. The monitor feels thoughtfully designed from top to bottom. In gaming, this monitor shines brightest. The combination of ultra-fast refresh rate, near-instant response time, and OLED contrast makes every title feel alive. Games like Cyberpunk, Horizon Forbidden West, or fast-paced shooters showcase the fluidity and clarity in ways that few other monitors can. You notice the difference not just visually, but in how your gameplay feels. More precise, more responsive, more engaging. Brightness is impressive for an OLED panel, with HDR highlights that stand out and blacks that remain deep. While OLED doesn't compete with the highest lumen LCD monitors in raw brightness, it excels in contrast, color purity, and realism. Shadows are never washed out, highlights retain detail, and colors remain vibrant without oversaturation. It's a balance that's tough to replicate. Overall, this monitor feels like a complete package for anyone looking to step into high-end 4K gaming. It combines top-tier image quality, extreme performance, versatile connectivity, and thoughtful design. It's ideal for gamers, streamers, and content creators who demand both speed and stunning visuals. It's future-proof, polished, and immersive. If a high-quality, high-performance 4K OLED monitor is what you're after, the MSI MPG 321 URX QD-OLED is an excellent choice. You can find the link to grab yours in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.